it was like, oh my God, does it really come across that way?
Now I feel awful.
Don't feel too bad just because you think your friend is making X-rated movies.
I know. I was like, oh, is she afraid for her daughter to come over to my house? No, God, no. It is a very, Love a la carte, the movie is a very risque, rated R type movie, but it's definitely not porn, absolutely not.
Are you naked in this movie?
For a flash, yeah, I am.
All right, good. Well, I'm glad we got all this cleared up. Yeah. By the way, we should pimp the movie a little bit. It's called what?
Love a la carte. You can find us at facebook.com/Love a la carte. Check it out. Follow along. Make sure that you can tell it's not porn. It is rated R. There's a lot of political and, it's
Well, full frontal.
Yeah. That's what's important.
Yes, absolutely. Please tell everybody that.
Now, here's what I want to know after knowing that.
My aunt isn't listening.
Yeah. Here's what I want to know after hearing that there's full frontal in this particular movie, Priscilla. Are you going to watch it and then look at Shauna completely different?
I didn't think that far ahead yet.
Yeah, because you're going to watch a movie and now every time you see her, you're going to see her naked.
Oh, gosh.
Oh, it's only a flash. Oh, my God, you're embarrassing me. It's only a flash.
All right, hang on 1 second. And it's awfully nice of her to call in. I'm glad everything's cool between you guys.
Yeah, she's really nice about it. And I mean, I feel a little bad, but I mean, you know.
But leave it to Matthew. Are you naked in it?
I know, that made it
People are thinking and I just say it.
We've talked about this many times on the show. You know how when you say certain awkward things, Matthew, that was kind of one of them a little bit.
I have to go home and see this woman every day.
I know, that's the difference. I don't have to see her anymore.
Yeah, exactly.
So I can ask all those questions. Sorry about that, Priscilla. 7:45 right now on Mix 96.9.
We'll start in Phoenix with accident off the one.